Our world is full of mysteries. Mysteries so complex that they sometimes blur the line between science and imagination. But among all the strange phenomena on Earth, none has captured people's curiosity as much as the Bermuda Triangle. A place where planes vanish, ships sink without a trace, and scientists still don't have a definitive explanation. But this story started with a single event, an event that changed the world forever. December 5th, 1945, 2:10 p.m., 5 Avenger fighter planes take off from the Fort Lauderdale Air Base in Florida. Professional pilots, fully trained, a simple training mission, nothing out of the ordinary, or rather, nothing appeared out of the ordinary.
Air Station, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Experienced pilots, fully trained crews, a routine training mission. Nothing out of the ordinary, or so it seemed, at least on the surface.
Sky's clear, wind's favorable, track's laid out. Gonna be a good flight, boys.
Roger that, Commander. Standing by and ready.
FT-28 Airborne, 1410.
Control tower, compass reading fluctuating.
Commander, repeat your heading.
This doesn't add up. We should be over Florida by now, but visual shows open ocean only. All directions appear shifted, running cross-check.
Wind shifting opposite, ground reference log.
All instruments authorized, appears displaced.
Visibility dropping, storm intensity increasing.
Maintaining vision.
This is the last message from Commander Taylor. If we go down, do not search for us in the Atlantic Ocean, because this place is not where it should be.
Within 45 minutes, all 5 aircraft disappeared from the control tower's radar screen, opening a new and puzzling chapter for scientists. This was Commander Taylor's final message. If we go down, don't look for us in the Pacific, because this place isn't where it's supposed to be. Newspaper headlines were filled with reports of the disappearance. 5 planes vanished in the same spot. No wreckage found. Commander reported strange skies. Official, a new danger zone has been identified. A death triangle in the Atlantic? People were frightened. Politicians were under pressure. And the scientists were in shock. What had happened? How could 5 fully crewed aircraft vanish in one place without even a single SOS, as if they had been evaporated? No one knew, but the scientific community decided to uncover the truth. And that's where our story begins. The search for the 5 aircraft and their 14 crew members began on a massive scale. ChatGPT said, everyone was hoping to find the 14 crew members alive. No one imagined they wouldn't even be able to find a single piece of wreckage from the planes. Everyone assumed that Flight 19 was the first incident in the Bermuda Triangle. But when scientists examined old archives, they came across facts that shook them. The disappearance of the massive USS Cyclops in 1918. The disappearance of the Ellen Austin in 1881. In the 1960s, a journalist named Vincent Gaddis, after reviewing dozens of reports, realized that most of the incidents had occurred within a triangular region. These 3 points: Florida, Bermuda, Puerto Rico. He called this area the Bermuda Triangle, a name that spread through the media like a virus. Over time, scientists joined the investigation as well. How could a single region have so many incidents? Is there truly an unknown phenomenon at work? Oceanographers examined the seafloor and encountered something surprising: vast fields of methane hydrates, a gas that, if suddenly released, reduces the density of the water and can pull a ship under like a stone. This region has one of the fastest storm formation cycles in the world. Storms that can form within minutes and disable compasses, radar systems, and communications. Scientists discovered that in this region, compasses sometimes align with true north instead of magnetic north, something that, for older pilots, meant losing their bearings. The discovery of giant rogue waves, these 30-meter walls of water, are powerful enough to destroy a massive ship in seconds. Until 1995, almost no one believed such waves could actually exist. Now, by combining these findings, the picture became clearer. Methane can pull a ship underwater, sudden storms can disrupt compasses, rogue waves can break apart even large vessels, older pilots could completely lose their course with a single navigational error, and finally, the media amplified everything. But one thing still remains unresolved. If all of this is natural, then why was no trace of Flight 19 ever found? Why did 5 aircraft plus every single crew member, plus the rescue plane, never surface again? No wreckage, no debris, not even a single drop of fuel. Do airplanes evaporate in midair? An unsolvable mystery of the Bermuda Triangle, a place on Earth where no trace of a compass reading and no trace of the Flight 19 crew was ever found. The Bermuda Triangle isn't a gateway to another dimension, nor an uncontrollable supernatural phenomenon, but it truly is one of the most complex and unpredictable regions on our planet. A place where nature can erase anything within seconds, without leaving a trace. But this isn't the end of the story, because Bermuda isn't the only mysterious region on Earth. There are other places where not only objects disappear, but even signals and radio waves never return. They're called zones of silence, or the world's dark triangles. If you want to explore those regions too, this is only the beginning.
Thank you for watching. If you found this content informative, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more scientific analyses and future explorations. Your support is sincerely appreciated. We look forward to sharing more discoveries with you.